Hello everyone. Welcome to the DevVibe channel, and we continue our free course on Flutter from scratch to employment. Today, we will talk about the keywords continue and break in Dart. These keywords will help you manage the execution of loops more flexibly. Let's get started. We'll start with break. Break is used to immediately terminate a loop. Let's look at an example. In this example, we have a for loop where we initialize the variable I by assigning it a value of 0, and in the condition we specify that the loop should run while I is less than 10. We also set up an increment. This means that our loop should make 10 iterations. But if we want to stop the execution of our loop before it finishes on its own, we can use the break keyword. In this example, we will stop the loop as soon as I equals 5, checking this in an if statement. If I is equal to 5, we will call break, which should stop our loop. After the check, we will print the value of I to the screen. Let's run the code and see the result. The screen displays the numbers from 0 to 4. Now, let's talk about continue. Continue skips the current iteration of the loop and proceeds to the next one. Let's consider the same example, but this time we want it not to stop when I equals 5, but to skip this iteration and proceed immediately to the next one where I equals 6. Running the program, we will see that all numbers from 0 to 9 are printed, except for 5. Remember that these keywords can be used in both for and while loops. Now, I suggest we do an exercise using continue and break together. Create a for loop with 10 iterations, as in the previous example. But we need to skip the iterations where I is even, and stop the loop as soon as I reaches 8. And we need to print all the values to the console. Pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Solution. To solve this task, we need to create a for loop where we initialize the variable I. The condition will be that I should be less than 10. Inside the loop, we first need to create a check that I equals 8, and inside the if statement, we use the break keyword. The next condition will be to check for evenness, specifically checking the remainder of the division by 2. If it equals 0, the number is even, and in this case, in the if body, we will call continue to skip this iteration. Then, after the checks, we will print the value to the console. By running the code, we will see how our code works. Pay attention to an important point. If we first check for equality to 8, and if true, stop the loop, and only then check for evenness and skip the iteration. If we do the opposite, when the loop reaches the point where I is 8, we will simply skip this iteration since 8 is an even number. The code will not reach the equality check and subsequent stop, because in the first check, it will just skip the iteration. If we swap our checks, our code will not work as we expected. By running the code, we will see how our code works. Today, we learned how to use break and continue in Dart loops. These tools allow you to manage the execution of your code more flexibly. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new lessons. See you in the next video.